Big Bear was one of those ball busters. There was 774 starters or something, and only roughly 200 finished. That was the biggest thing of the year, was the Big Bear race, and it was cool. The desert was really a lot of fun. Before the start of a desert race, I mean, it was quiet. No motorcycles running. The banner, you're looking up at the banner, and everybody's goggles are fogging, and you're breathing blood, you know. And you know, there's this old saying, you know, in any kind of racing, when they drop the green, the bullshit stops. 3 loops, 50-mile loops. No matter how fast you are and how good you are, you got to trust your gut. You know, the gut tells you when it ties up in a knot that you maybe shouldn't do what you're doing. You just had to have a gut feeling and know that you would pick it through the right way. In the first loop, I think I came into the pits to get fuel and stuff. I think I was like 11th or something. Came in after the second loop and was 7th. Came around, got up to the top of Rattlesnake Canyon, got up in the forest, took it off the side, and I could hear chunk, yuck, ka, ka, boom, bam. Went about 20 feet down through the brush, blew through the shit and hit the fire road at the bottom, missed the whole corner. Boom! Got up, I'm going, what in the hell are we doing? You know, anybody with any sense has got to say, what the hell are you doing? But I trusted my gut instinct and got back up on it and took off. And I ended up winning it on the Royal Enfield by a 3-minute lead. And as far as I can remember, there's only 2 gentlemen, and I call them gentlemen because they were, that had motorcycles named after him, and one is Steve McQueen and the other one's Uncle Bud Eakins.